Hey, what's up everybody? Got a 2014 Ford Focus ST in today. Friend David here. What's up, David? So, as you can see, standard ST dash. You want to go ahead and cut the car on? Let's see. So, what exhaust is this?
This is the Borla.
The Borla exhaust. I love the exhaust on this car. So, the radio in this car does not work. Common Ford issue. Power on, screen works, no radio, no volume, nothing, got nothing. Kind of sucks to drive down the road and only hear your exhaust, even though your exhaust sounds pretty good. But anyway, so we're gonna dive into this dash. There are two, I don't know if this will focus, but there were two torque bits right there. And we're gonna get into this. And so if you pry this out of here, and then disconnect this back here. I hope you can see this. One plug there, this whole piece comes out. This is the ACM, which I believe is audio control module. I think I'm sitting on the ratchet. Got a couple Torx bits here. Actually, before we go any further, go ahead and turn the car off. Cut the power. So go ahead and we have a new one. Is this a new unit? You bought a brand new one? Brand new unit. Let me drop these right here. These are T25 Torx bits. All four of them. The two that hold the front panel in and the two that hold this module in. I just dropped that one. Uh-oh. I don't see any more. Maybe it just needs a little bit of a tug. Yep. A little bit of that. A little bit of force. So... hold that for me. Let David hold the camera here. This is all fancy looking. Do you have satellite radio?
Nope.
This must be your antenna. I think this is your antenna. There we go.
So that was just kind of, you just kind of need to push the little tab back and then pull it out, right?
Yeah. Oh, fancy, brand new. So installation is the same as reverse of removal here. Sure, that sounded happy. Take one of these. And this one. We'll put them back where they came from. Somewhat. Seems to be a pretty simple fix. Now, you did some research before, right, David? You said this was a common issue?
Yes, from 2013 to 2017. It seems to be across all Ford models between those years. I've been driving around for about 6 months with no radio. Thinking this would be much more difficult than this.
Well, let's hope this takes care of it. This is the fun part. This isn't that bad.
So kind of get back there to see there.
Plug that back in. Now this angle of the dangle. All right, let's go ahead and start up and see if that fixes the problem. There we go. Oh, look at that. And there's audio.
forgot how to use my own radio.
Is it media? Nope.
That'd give us there
There we go.
Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth audio.
Because you want it to be true, or because you're afraid it might be? I'm afraid of having to quit, and that fear makes me accept the possibility.
So it works.
Awesome. We're back in business. All right. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. Until the next one, catch you later.